Arundel County is undergoing comprehensive zoning plans for the development and preservation of land in the county. Annapolis falls into Region 7. Portions of Annapolis on the Broadneck Peninsula fall into Region 4. It's Friday, August 4th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Property owners should review the proposed zoning changes since changes may affect zoning and use for owned property or future rights for that property. I've placed a link below in the show notes for access to Region 4 and 7 plans. The public can review and comment until August 28th. Meanwhile, inventory continues to be constrained. There are only 94 properties for sale. 20 homes hit the market since last report. Homes coming soon rose again to 23. 11 homes went under contract and 15 went pending over the past week. 31 sold in the past week, selling in just 4 days at 100.2% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home for sale was for $3 million in Eastport. There are 24 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,400 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 4th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, be safe, and I'll see you next week.